Hello everyone, my name is Cam, and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Plugins are a useful tool for your Minecraft server. They allow you to add many different cool features and customizations such as ranks, game modes, and rules. Today, we will be going over a plugin called InfoHeads. This plugin allows you to assign commands and or messages to a block that can be executed by right-clicking. This is a very simple and configurable plugin that would be great to spice up any server. Some of the features that this plugin has is that it's efficient, since instead of doing multiple grabs from the config, it stores your values, meaning RAM usage is low. It's also open source. This means that you can check out the official code in case you have any concerns. And the last main feature is that this plugin supports lots of placeholders, so anything you need will be right at hand. Before we get started, I'm going to go over some of the other plugins that you can download as add-ons to make this plugin even better. The first plugin is Placeholder API. This allows you to display information for your plugins. The next plugin is Head Database. This plugin adds a lot of different types of heads that you could use instead of the default ones that are given to you. And the last plugin is Block Particles. This will allow you to add particles around your info heads. What's good about this plugin is that it automatically will show up in your wizard's menu, so it's easy to use. And do note that you do not need to download these for the plugin to work. So starting out, make sure you install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the iCard on how to install plugins. After installing the plugin, restart and head into your server. Now we will go over how to use the plugin. First things first, you need to type the command \InfoHeads wizard. This starts up the wizard, and you should be given different types of player heads that you can use for your server. After seeing the one that you like, place it down, and a GUI should pop up. This GUI is how you configure each player head. You can do things like show a message, run a console command, run a player command, put on a delay till it can be clicked again, give a player temporary permissions, and even the ability to set it so it can only be clicked once. So for this one, I will create a message for when a player right clicks. So click on append message, then to set a message, just type it in chat. And then when you right click, it should send the message in chat. Now as you can see, we are out of the GUI. To get back into it, look at the info head and type the command \InfoHeads edit, and it will bring up the GUI again. Since I don't want players to spam right clicking, I will click on the one-time item button, and it will make it so the player can only click on it once. Or you could also just set a delay to it as well. So type the edit command again, click on the one-time item button again to disable it, and then click on cooldown delay. Here you can set the delay by weeks, days, hours, minutes, and even seconds. Click on the green to increase the time by 1 in each category, and click on the red to remove it. So we will make it 1 minute by clicking the green die in the minute category. After you're done, click on the emerald block to save it. So we made all this progress, and you accidentally placed the head in the wrong place. What do? Well, there's an easy fix for that. You can use the set location setting to move your info head, and it will keep all of your settings. Another useful element in the GUI is the edit the info head setting. This is used if you want to edit the ordering of the items or even deleting an item. So let's create another message for the info head. As you can see, when you click on the edit setting, you have two items here now. You can right click to delete one or move them to switch the order they send in the chat. And then if you ever want to remove a head, type the command \InfoHeads remove, then you will be able to break it. For the other settings, they are pretty straightforward. Click on the setting, input the value, whether it be a command or permission, then when the player right clicks, the command or permission will run. It is that easy. If you have any more questions or want to check out more features that this plugin has, I will leave the plugin page in the description. That is how you can incorporate the InfoHeads plugin on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.